Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on HMD Pulse Pro. So you have to start by opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Children and Family and then click on Parental Controls and click Get Started. Now select Child or Teenager and then click Next. Now click on Add or Create Account for your child. And then you have to type in your child's email address and click Next. Now you have to enter your child password. And then click I agree. Now click Accept. And here you have to select your account and now enter your parent email address. And click Next. Now you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll all the way down. And here you have to enter your child password again. Now click Next. And here scroll all the way down and click Next. Now click Next again. And here you can click Install Family Link, or you can click Skip and then you can install this app manually. And now click on Review Controls. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.